Hi everyone, welcome to this special session of Fitness Mantras. Hi Komala, hi Vanita, hi Nandita, how are you?
So good to see you, Alex.
Same here. Okay, everyone, welcome again. एक बार फिर से हम आप लोग के सामने हैं यहाँ पे एक नया बहुत एक एक्साइटिंग सा एक सेशन लेके सबसे पहले मैं अपने गेस्ट जो हैं दोनों उनका एक बार आपसे इंट्रोडक्शन करा दूं। हमारी आज की पहली गेस्ट है वनिता अशोक। साउथ इंडिया की बहुत चर्चित हस्ती हैं, बहुत जानी मानी फिटनेस एक्सपर्ट हैं और आई एम सॉरी आई गेस हाँ या फिट इंडिया की एम्बेसडर है वनिता। वनिता वेलकम।
Thank you. Thank you so much.
एंड हमारे साथ है हमारी रेगुलर गेस्ट नंदिता,
Hello.
जो कि अगेन एक बहुत जानी मानी हस्ती है। नंदिता जैविक वेलनेस की सीईओ है, एक मशहूर लेखिका है और एक लाइफ एंथुजियास्ट है ये। सो हाय हर्ष, हाय एवरीवन। सो गाइज वी आर हियर, नॉट जस्ट मी, व्हाई वी आर हियर। हम लोग हर हफ्ते आपके सामने आते हैं, कुछ एक टॉपिक लेके आते हैं, कुछ लोगों के साथ आते हैं, अच्छी अच्छी बातें करने के लिए आते हैं। लेकिन किस लिए आते हैं? ऐसे कि समय बिताने के लिए करना है कुछ काम, शुरू करो अंताक्षरी लेकर प्रभु का नाम। ऐसा नहीं है, बिल्कुल टाइम वेस्ट करने के लिए ना हमारा ना आपका हम यहाँ पर नहीं आते हैं। जैविक वेलनेस की एक कोशिश है कि हम ऐसे बहुत से इश्यूज हैं या टॉपिक्स हैं जिनमें हमें लगता है कि आज के टाइम पे बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है कि जिनके बारे में लोग जाने या हम किसी ना किसी तरीके से आइदर इन देयर फिजिकल कंडीशंस और इन देयर मेंटल कंडीशंस हम उनको हेल्प कर सके। पेंडेमिक टाइम है, सभी जानते हैं कि किस तरह के मेंटल प्रेशर से हम लोग जूझ रहे हैं। फिटनेस कहीं ना कहीं एक लाइन पे आई हुई है, हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ जो है क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा हुआ है सब चीजों के आगे कि क्या कैसे करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, कैसे अपनी हेल्थ बना के रखनी है। सो अगेन आज हमारे साथ वनीता हैं। वनीता वेलकम अगेन। नंदिता वेलकम अगेन। इससे पहले कि हम लोग अपना सेशन स्टार्ट करें, वनीता आप एक फिटनेस एक्सपर्ट हैं। Okay, and as we all know, pandemic time is there, so everyone is so much worried कि कोरोना का टाइम है, बाहर निकलेंगे कोरोना हो जाएगा, या फिर किस तरह का हमारा लाइफस्टाइल हो या किस तरह का हमारा रूटीन हो जो हमारा हेल्थ के जो इश्यूज हैं हमें वो फेस ना करने पड़े, या हमारा जो एक डेली रूटीन है, अगर हम फिजिकल एक हेल्थ को देखते हुए हम ये देखें कि हमारा जो डेली रूटीन है वो किस तरह का होना चाहिए। आई वांट टू आस्क यू कि आपके हिसाब से एक रूटीन, डेली रूटीन किस तरह का होना चाहिए आम लोगों का?
Okay, that's a good question. Thank you so much. मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश में दोनों में बात करना चाहती हूँ
एनी
क्योंकि I'm more
लैंग्वेज इन विच यू आर
interested in
कंफर्टेबल यू कैन कम्युनिकेट।
ठीक है. And yes, past 1.5 years से हम लोग घर में बैठे रहे हैं and most of them have forgotten what is exercise. Some of them are overdoing it and very few are doing it moderately. So I'm so glad you brought up this question. And एक awareness तो आ चुका है after this pandemic that immunity is very important. You should not have any lifestyle disease. So comorbidities, we have seen people suffering, when they tested positive with comorbidities, we have seen it is fatal or very difficult, or, people, their family members have suffered because of them. So with that, people should understand people who have been exercising also were not spared. That's strong this coronavirus is, and the way it is mutating constantly. तो डर ही लगना चाहिए हम लोगों को एंड यू डोंट टेक इट इजी एनी मोर। जो भी आप एक्सरसाइज आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे वो बिफोर कोरोना, हाँ कोई किसी के लिए फैंसी वर्ड के लिए है, जो जिसके पास टाइम है उन लोगों के लिए है, नहीं सब लोगों के लिए है। एज लॉन्ग एज वी आर लिविंग वी नीड टू एक्सरसाइज बिकॉज वन ऑफ द मेजर बेनिफिट्स ऑफ एक्सरसाइज इज टू बिल्ड इम्यूनिटी। आप लोग देखे होंगे एवरी प्रोडक्ट हैज इम्यूनिटी रिटन ऑन इट दीस डेज। ठीक है, इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाएगा and anything you take, it's about immunity because people are tapping on that. And you be wise and start exercising and make lifestyle changes, keep lifestyle disease away, and mentally, physically, emotionally wellness is very important. खाली फिटनेस का देख लिया आपने बॉडी का, मेंटल एंड इमोशनल का क्या होगा? If these two are not okay, you are going to suffer again. Okay, आपका immunity level down हो जाएगा. So we have to look into this. And having said that, I had gone to this TV station to do a live show during the pandemic, and I went in their vehicle because outside vehicles were not allowed. And if I took, I would have been stopped at every point and asking why I'm outside. So I went in their vehicle, and TV लोगों के लिए, they go for coverage all over. So they go to the graveyard, they go to the hospital, and so many other places covering, right? And you won't believe, I myself was tested positive. Okay, the load was very high because I had a direct contact with the virus. So I did ask them, have you taken precautions, sanitized? And they said, yeah, ma'am, yeah. Exactly after 7 days, symptoms started, and my load was very high. Thankfully, my husband also was tested positive, but his load was less, viral load was less, and he was asymptomatic. Only because I was exercising. Okay, the 2 weeks I was in bed. The third week I was up and taking classes. So that is the power of exercise. Okay, you very rarely fall ill. If I had not gone there, I would have never got corona. I wanted to be this corona dodger. I never got corona. I wanted to do, but then unfortunately I went into the lion's den and invited it. Okay? So I recovered very soon, and I'm back to taking 2 classes and all that stuff. And this is what I want to tell you. It's only because of my lifestyle I survived with a viral load like 16.5. So I hope you got the answer.
Yeah. Nandita, I want to ask you, as Vanita told कि yeah, आप कहीं भी जाओगे वायरस का खतरा है, बट योर लाइफस्टाइल शुड बी वेरी प्रॉम्प्ट. इट शुड बी लाइक आपको आपका लाइफस्टाइल, हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल अगर आप फॉलो करते हो तो बहुत चांसेस हैं कि आप कोरोना से बच सको. कोरोना की हम बात कर रहे हैं, लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में इन्होंने बता दिया है. As we all know कि during corona time, if we are suffering, we are not supposed to do any kind of exercise, any kind of activity जो कि हमें fatigue या फिर हमको कहीं पे tiredness हमको देती है. पोस्ट कोरोना अगर हम बात करते हैं, ओके, सो पोस्ट कोरोना इनिशियली सभी पेशेंट्स को मना किया जाता है, यू शुड नॉट इन्वॉल्व इन सच काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज जहाँ पे फिजिकली आपको प्रॉब्लम हो. व्हाट इज योर सजेशन कि इफ पीपल इज still suffering, मतलब लाइक पोस्ट कोरोना से ठीक हो गए हैं, बट जो बेसिक जो इश्यूज जो नॉर्मली पोस्ट कोरोना सामने आ रहे हैं उनसे सफर कर रहे हैं, तो उस समय पे लाइफस्टाइल कैसा होना चाहिए, फिटनेस रूटीन कैसा होना चाहिए उनका? एंड स्पेसिफिकली यस, आई वांट टू ऐड वन थिंग, खाना पीना कैसा होना चाहिए?
Hi Supriya, thank you so much for having me again, and hello Vanita. So Vanita is a very, very dear friend, and she's someone who inspires so many people, and I'm one of them. A woman who absolutely personifies grace and how to be fit and fabulous all the time. So it's always fun to be with her, learn from her, and share the thoughts and ideas. So as you asked about people who are already got infected with corona, so I will not use the word suffering because being a mindfulness practitioner, I always say suffering is optional. Pain and diseases are not. So as even Vidita said, so COVID is a kind of infection which can get anyone and everyone. It's not about that anything, having any kind of fitness level or any kind of lifestyle. Unless until you're completely secluded, you can catch the virus. But the very important part of your lifestyle and your internal fitness comes in your healing. Just now how she told. The stronger your body immunity, the stronger your emotional well-being, and stronger your, even I call it spiritual well-being is there. So when all these questions are in a higher, you can recover very, very fast. That's one of the key issues. Now, as we all are aware, because when body is fighting any infection, and COVID being a very, very new infection, body has to still learn, it's kaun sa wala dushman hai. They say you have to learn about your enemy, you should understand your enemy. So body is still taking time to understand the nitty-gritty of the specific animal. At that time, because the whole energy has to be on the healing and doing any kind of activity which basically makes us restless or consume more energy, which is also working out, consumes lots of energy is not good. But yes, there are certain kind of activities which are basically a part of our ancient exercise everyone knows yoga. Yoga day was just there 2 days back. So in yoga, there are some exercises which are about faster healing and deep relaxation. So one of them is people we don't consider as an exercise is Shavasana. Many of you know that's my favorite exercise even to lose weight. Because I personally believe that every person's body knows how to heal itself. We have to just provide that calmness and space and time. And Shavasana gives that space and time. Besides one more physical activity, which is all about inactivity, is Advasana. So where you lie down in your stomach, putting your hands straight ahead. And your feet are also back up. So in the Advasana, slowly start loosening up the tightened muscle in your back and your body, which is because of the excess workload which your body was having to fight the infection of COVID. So that Advasana is also very, very nice exercise. We can share it and people can go for it. And there's one more very beautiful posture, which looks beautiful, which we all must have tried sometime in our life without knowing that's called the baby Krishna pose. So in that pose, you lie down on your stomach, bending one hand and one knee. So this way, you are providing more space because your lungs are still weak. You've just recovered. Your respiratory system and your internal organs require more energy. They need more oxygen flow. They need more blood flow. So these 3 exercises will add on to energy. They will add on to healing rather than consuming your energy.
Yeah. Before I ask Vanita our next question, I want to say hi to Komala, Paras, and Neelam. Okay, guys, see, as I have already told you, Vanita is a very well-known fitness expert. And if you have any queries, any questions you want to ask, you can write your question in a comment box. So during this session, she'll be able to answer you. Hi, Chandra. Hi, Vidya. Okay, so Vanita, as you are a fitness expert, now it's almost more than 1.5 years we are suffering from this pandemic. So you take classes, you have regular sessions with your students, and you also go live with this relative topics. So what is the suggestion, if you say according to you, what is healthy body means? See, one is usually people say different things. Alag baat hoti hai. One says if you have a very healthy body, then it means you have healthy mind. And some people says if you have healthy mind, then it means your body is healthy. So according to you, which statement is correct? Healthy body first or healthy mind first? And what is the connection between both? I want to ask you.
A good question again. And I would just like to add to this thing. And one of them is, I think Komala has asked me, when should you start off exercising after COVID? Okay, 14 days coming. And then I know a lot of yoga teachers and as well as my colleagues who are in the same industry who started off, but slowly. Every day, 5% they started giving. But see, all of us are working out. Our cardiorespiratory health is very good. Okay, so we could start off. But if your doctor, for some reason, has asked you to start after 3 months, 6 months, then you definitely should go according to your doctor's advice. Okay. I have a person, I know a friend, like husband, the whole family was, tested positive, and they even now have palpitation in their heart. And their doctors advised them not to exercise for another 3 months. So they definitely shouldn't. So walking is the only thing that they're doing. So anything that takes their heart rate up, we are not supposed to do it. So right now she's doing only walking. So stick to your this because nobody knows this virus. Okay, every day teaching us something about.
There are so many things, so many infections and so many issues are there which people are getting after post-corona.
Yes, that is why. So even now I can't taste food, okay, the way I used to taste. But I always find there's nothing missing in my, food that I prepare. And my husband says it's perfectly all right. So I'm so glad it's only a taste. So come khane ko lagta hai. And also you were asking me, what is the right regime for the first one? The first one for the fit body. So I'll connect these two. And घर में बैठे बैठे हम लोग एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं. तो all you need is 1 hour का walking. Okay, जहाँ पे भी unlock हो चुका है, whichever city, आप बाहर जाके walk for about 40 to 60 minutes. We have 2 doctors in our body. That is our right leg and the left leg. Make use of these doctors. You don't need any equipment. You don't need anything. आप चप्पल में मत चलिए. okay, you'll enjoy yourself. Good shoes होना चाहिए, 10 साल पुराना वाला shoes पहन के मत चलिए, okay? They're all very heavy and it's like very bad for your ankle and your speed also will come down. चाहे तो barefoot जा सकते हो आप, जैसे मिलन सोमिन जैसा, okay? Barefoot जा सकते हो, नहीं तो good latest shoes खरीद लीजिए, because biomechanics of the shoes has also changed a lot. तो अगर आप जा सकते हो तो बाहर जाके 40 minutes to 60 minutes वॉकिंग कीजिए. फर्स्ट डे में शुरू मत कीजिए दिस वॉकिंग, द फर्स्ट डे. हाँ, वनिता ने बोला था 40-60 मिनट आज ही कर लूंगी. कल आप हम पे इतना गुस्सा करने वाले हैं दैट ये क्या बता दिया हमको, ऐसा हो गया. आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेट अप फ्रॉम द बेड, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सरसाइज, आई एम ओके, हु हैज टू सी मी, आई लाइक माय सेल्फ फैट, I don't care about anybody. It's not about your weight. It's about your fitness. Okay, it's about keeping lifestyle disease away. It's about being healthy. It's about being independent. Okay, it's about being able to enjoy life without depending on others. So that is fitness. So with a fit body, you will have good confidence, self-image, and you will be able to converse with people without feeling shy. And I hope she's not thinking bad about this part of the body. Why is she staring? Oh, she's seen my fat here. All that nahi hoga. Start working out, okay? And your self-confidence will be boosted. So everything is fine, but I'm stressful. It could be economical, it could be relationship, it could be for somebody didn't like my post. मैं उसकी हर पोस्ट को लाइक करती हूँ, उसको इतनी लाइक्स आई है, मेरे वाला क्यों ना. Combination. I'm going to do something. These are all unwanted, and this is definitely going to affect you mentally. And when you are affected mentally and emotionally, it will show on your physical fitness and health. So it is overall. Okay, when we say mental wellness, overall wellness, it covers all these three: mental, emotional, and fitness levels. And this, like Nandita said, it also has to your workout session should have a yoga session, meditation session. And Nandita is very good. I and Komala both have experienced it. And this was in IIMB, and it was a beautiful session. We both went into a trance. Komala liked it so much, immediately introduced it to their college, and it continues. And so you have experienced this. For that, you should have a right teacher. Otherwise, you won't get into that, a relaxed state of mind. So have that done, and also practice pranayama. Very, very important right now, because it's all about your lungs. Okay, it's all about your lungs. And also, there are a lot of negative things going around, and don't let that affect you. Don't let that affect you. Always stay with positive people, positive things. I myself listen to The Subconscious Mind. It's an audio book. Okay, it's an audio book from Audible, and there are so many things. And using the power of subconscious mind. So that is the name of the book, and I keep listening to it. And because we forget, we lead a robotic, mechanical life. Okay, and we just open the social media forum and you're lost. For hours together, you're lost. Okay, and we need to get back. So I myself need constant suggestions. Hey, do this, think positive. And stay positive. These kind of things. So all these things will help. And even if you subscribe on social media, it should be something that will enhance your life. So if I
exactly.
Facebook, if I open my Facebook, there'll be craft, because I love craft. There'll be some motivational thing, emotional, mental, physical wellness. These kind of things I see first. I never see people's posts, because by then my screen time is over. So I really don't know who's doing what, because my interest on social media is what interests me, to enhance my life and to make it constructive. So do that, guys. Life is only one time you live, and it should be like, enriched with experiences and knowledge.
So guys, I hope आपने ये points अच्छे से note किए होंगे. First and very foremost कि हमेशा किसी experienced trainer की help लें whenever you are doing any kind of fitness training, either it is yoga or aerobics or any kind of any fitness activity or exercise medium. And think positive. So that is must again for your healthy mind and healthy body. And yes, if you're doing exercising regularly, so a confidence banta hai ki it is not like कि हमारी we are in shape or not. Thank you, Vanita. This is such a wonderful thing, because normally nowadays, specifically females, as you said, कि social networking sites open करते हैं, search engines हैं, कोई भी fitness exercise दिख रही है, अच्छा ये मुझे help करेगी पतले होने के लिए, and they start following that. So again, and sometimes what happen कि जो जहां से कम होना होता है उसकी बजाय दूसरा पोर्शन ज्यादा हर्ट हो जाता है. तो दीज आर द वेरी बेसिक थिंग्स विच वी शुड फॉलो. नदिता, एक्सरसाइज की बात कर रहे हैं, डेली रूटीन की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. A very simple thing, as Vanita is a fitness expert, so what I believe that if someone is a expert, so it means he or she is a very good counselor. Same goes with you. So as a counselor, if someone comes to you and asks your opinion कि ओके ठीक है, आई एम डूइंग सो मेनी थिंग्स, मैंने ये एक्सरसाइज भी ज्वाइन कर लिया, सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट पे मैंने इस तरह का योगा भी ज्वाइन कर लिया है, बट वो चीजें मुझे फिजिकली फायदा करने की बजाय एक मेंटल प्रेशर दे रही हैं. बिकॉज इट हैपन्स सो मेनी टाइम्स व्हेन यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट एनी पर्टिकुलर थिंग एंड सडनली आप उसको करना स्टार्ट करते हो तो बहुत सारे डाउट्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे इश्यूज होते हैं, और वो एक मेंटल ब्लॉक या एक मेंटल प्रेशर क्रिएट करना शुरू कर देते हैं. तो ऐसे में व्हाट इज योर सजेशन कि क्या करना चाहिए?
Okay, so
नंदिता.
yeah, thank you, Supriya. It's very nice question and very apt, and I feel this we all know, yet we keep repeating. We have to accept ourselves and our unique presence of body, mind, and how we are surrounded in this universe with different people. Most of the time, we don't say, but we all try to be a me too person. If she's looking like this, I also have to look like that. But here the most important thing comes is understanding your body. So I very, very strongly believe in physical fitness, but I think you have to work out to enhance your fitness. You should not work out to reduce your inches or to make a shape of your body which is not there. Because of this, so many people, even the cosmetic industry is flourishing, but so many times these things are creating those kind of voids in people, which disbalances their emotional health, which disbalances their psychological health and mental fitness. I was reading a very beautiful article about COVID, that's how COVID has hit it. And it was like many people who have been focusing only on their body without understanding, they were just going and hitting gym hard and hard. I want six pack. You remember last time someone asked the question that, can we have with yoga six pack? So, and most of those people, it was very, very difficult for them to come out of COVID because they're not so motivated. They were doing it for the pressure of being somebody to impress someone. So please, it's most important, even not just for women, for the men, to do whatever you wish to do for yourself. You have to talk to you. You have to understand you. You have to listen to your body. You have to listen to your mind. And you also have to give some time to know what really you want. Is it hard to be this specific type of person is needed? And believe me, during this pandemic, because we were in the post-COVID consultancy and there were so many people with a mental health issue, and I was surprised, rather than their physical fitness, people were thinking, how will it affect my hair fall? How will I look? And that pressure, oh my God, I used to get pressure myself thinking and telling them, please learn to set your priorities right. And it does not matter that you have a specific size, because your look, your measurements are not just determined by the kg on the weighing scale. It also determines how strongly you can laugh, how loud is your laughter, what glow you have on your skin, how bright are your eyes, the twinkle in your eyes, that comes from health. The nice natural hair, it doesn't come only from the hair spa. If you're doing good physical activities, you're keeping your mental balance very, very nice, you're emotionally fit, and as well as you're keeping your spirituality in balance. And I keep saying spirituality because so many times, especially during these times when we were able to see so much of stress, you have grief, you have fear, these spiritual quotient, which is basically about surrendering to the situation and not being fearful, and you quite a lot. So people who are going to go and follow this, and most of them are only doing them, and I have been always telling everyone, all said and done, unless until you are expert, please do not learn just by seeing a video. you, you have one-on-one classes, you have group classes. So they will be able to tell you what you're doing is right or what you're doing is wrong. At least they will communicate with you. And when you just watch some random stuff and start following it, you don't know if your breathing is going right with that workout, if your posture is correct. You must see your attention in the camera, in that small, tiny effect box is making a fool out of you. And you do more harm than the good. I hope.
Yeah. Yeah. You there's
Yeah,
some
that's
issue,
what,
I guess.
Nandita, you're right.
Yeah.
You were so right. You nailed it. It's like लेने का देना हो जाएगा बाद में. They don't even know it's structured. You know, they don't even know it's structured. Only a teacher will know, okay, I've done upper body, now I'll do midsection, now I'll do lower body. As in, you know, structure करना चाहिए workout को. Because they want to lose their midsection, no, every day ab exercise. ये नहीं जाएगा. Ab exercise करने से नहीं जाएगा. ये कम करना पड़ेगा. And also stress कम करना पड़ेगा. And you have to get your sleep, quality sleep. That is very important for weight loss. These three things: diet, sleep, and stress management, and of course exercise. That was a
Very
nice, Nandita.
Vanita, we have one question. Meenu is asking, people says after 40 you should not do jogging. Is it true?
You know, nobody should do jogging. Okay, jogging, running, I don't promote it at all. Okay, it's not required. Running is for horses, and you know, where are you jogging and running on the tar road? Okay, it is going to hit your knees, and it's a friction. Dab, 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 dab. You're going your ankle, your knee, your lower back. Everything goes for a toss. Please do not run. And running is the only thing that you're doing. I'm so sorry to tell you. You need to be educated about fitness. You need skills, agility, mental agility, physical agility, and reflexes. You need to work on reflexes. Everything goes down with age. Your balance, your power, speed, you know, cardiorespiratory strength and endurance, muscular strength and endurance. You have to work on these kind of things. Stability. Okay. So let me just show you one quick exercise. Okay. One is for the neck. Okay. One is for the neck. All of us are doing for hours together. Right. So this part has become very weak. So this is constricted. Chest is constricted and your upper back is overstretched because for hours together, either you're like this or like this, you're doing the same thing. So get your hands behind you, lock it, take it away from you, open your chest out. It also gives you space in the diaphragm and lung area. All right. And it pushes your shoulders back and you will be able to breathe better. And this part, you know, it is very important to do the opposite of it. Opposite. So during a day, do it a number of times. All right. There's another thing is that hold it here, and go away from it. Go away from it. Straight and come back. Okay. Go away, come back. Finger move नहीं हो रहा है. खाली आपका head पीछे जा रहा है, आगे आ रहा है. So this is a very good neck exercise. So when I take my classes, I put in all these kind of things. We do agility. So supposing you're playing badminton, how do you play badminton? Okay, you can't play like this. You don't know where it is coming from. Look at the reflexes. I encourage people to play sports. Okay, and if you cannot play any sport, please walk, brisk walk. No talking, only walking. Okay, you can talk with your friends after the walking session. So supposing you functional, let's talk about functional movement. Okay, this doesn't happen in jogging or walking. Okay, something falls down. It's your natural thing. Okay, or you have a baby to pick up the baby. You have to take something from the floor and put it up there. So your movement is bending. So your hips are moving, your knees are bent. There's mobility happening there. You carry shoulder strength. You move from this plane to put it there. So there is a lateral rotation happening. These are called functional movement. A jogging se benefit nahi ho raha. So apart from just instead of jogging, walk and then do functional training. You can sign up with me. I do online classes, and especially for people who are 40 plus. And because menopause catches them, the hormones change in the body, the estrogen level comes down, and we are bound to decrease bone density and lean muscle mass. So fractures happen, leads to osteoporosis because of menopause, and also lean muscle mass doesn't. Loss of lean muscle mass will lead to weight gain. Your metabolism comes down drastically. You'll have a nice big man's belly. It'll not, even if you suck your stomach in when you did for photographs, this will not go inside. So you need to work on it, okay? So if you're jogging every day, you're losing your muscle mass. So instead of burning calories, you are gaining weight. All right. So don't do that, and do brisk walk, yoga, functional training with external resistance. And you can reach out to me. Because I'm a Fit India consultant, Fit India ambassador, I give free consultations over the any social media forum. Vanita with a W.
Okay. Vanita, we have one more question. Sheila Jain is asking, what about HIIT workout?
HIIT.
Yeah.
HIIT, high intensity interval training. If I just posted about it, Palki Sharma, you would have seen her videos go viral, and she's a journalist. Okay. And I have shared her video. It just came today. I have shared it on Facebook. I have shared it on Instagram. It's on IG. And just look for my profile, Vanita Ashok, Vanita with a W. And she has spoken especially about HIIT. Please do not do crazy workouts like Tabata, high intensity interval training, and intense workouts like CrossFit. It is not necessary. Not only are you affecting your heart's health, you're also, wearing and tearing your joints. And it is not needed to lose weight. What is needed to lose weight is this: managing your calories. More than that, these kind of exercises, it's like flight or fight. Okay, so this is releasing cortisol hormones because you're pushing your body beyond its limits, and we're not machines. Okay, so naturally, cortisol hormone does not allow you to lose weight. So loss is loss. You're terribly losing everything but gaining weight.
Okay, very nice. Thank you, Vanita.
I would like
to Nandita.
Add, like how the fast food is harmful for our health and fitness. We all know the more natural we are, the better it is. And this is a similar thing with exercising. We want to make everything quick and we want to save. But you have to understand that exercising is not just about some joints and some muscles. We also do exercising because it pumps up the blood to your brain. Your internal organs should get affected with that. And when you go with these fast foods, how they contain empty calories, and here you burn the empty calories. So it's very, very important to go slow and steady. It's the only way to do exercise. These shortcuts can never ever get you a longevity. Because when we think about, when we have been given this beautiful body, our aim should be to live longer and and that too healthier. And to live longer and healthier, it's like your body is like a machine. If you're overusing one specific part again and again and again, there will be wear and tear. And I know like some people some of my clients who are just in their 30s and doing jogging, they really ripped off their knees. They are in mid-30s and the knees have gone, they have to go treatment. And then some people, they don't work out for the enjoyment of it. They work out with like a fighting spirit.
Energy actually.
So it's not about that. It's about enjoying whatever you do. The being mindful is the most important thing. When you're walking, enjoy the walk. It's not like talking and walking. Neither you're enjoying your talk completely, nor your body is able to feel the goodness of your walk. It's very, 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 and the most important thing, to be mindful of whatever you're doing. When you're walking, feel the air touching yourself. Feel the gentle movement with your legs. Feel those nice, beautiful scenes. Look at the clouds. Hear the birds if you're walking in the morning. Look at these beautiful stars in the evening. And believe me, you're not just working on your body, you're working at the same time with your mind. You're easing down your stress, as with Vanita said. You're cutting down on your cortisol. You're increasing the good. I would not like to take the name because people get fascinated. So you're increasing, feel good hormones. Your doctor, these hormones are increasing, and as well as you're increasing your body's chemical formation, which is in your gut. Walking is so good for your gut health. And if your gut is healthy, your whole body is healthy. So I just love walking more than anything else because you are inhaling more oxygen and building your gut health more than anything else. And one more thing I would like to tell, Geeta has shown this beautiful exercise to push your shoulder back. That is again a very, very good exercise. People who follow And there's a quote he says, that change your physiology to change your psychology. So this one exercise, when you open and expand your chest, you're giving more space and room for your lungs to have more oxygen, which is also reducing down the speed of your breathing. So it's shifting your brain from sympathetic to parasympathetic nervous system. You're calm down and you're feeling good. That angry, dirty thought, that ants you're able to pick. Ants means automatic negative thoughts. So you're able to pick one by one all those next ants when you expand your body and you start feeling good. Your emotion goes high, and spiritually also your vibration starts going high.
Wow, wow. There are so many people who are saying hi to Vanita and you, Nandita. Yeah, I was just checking that.
Thanks for joining us.
Okay, Vanita, I want to ask you one thing. As we are talking about fitness pandas and all the things, before Corona time, before pandemic time, and nowadays, we all are aware that nowadays people are much more aware when it comes to their health. This is a fact. Now people are they are joining classes either in online or physical, so it is not possible right now. But yes, they are aware. Awareness is there. If we talk about before Corona time, it was always like what I feel. I met few people and they were all like कि नहीं होगा, my friend is going to that gym, so मैं वहां जाके वो कर रही हूँ. या फिर एक, if you are going to gym or if you are doing a particular kind of exercise, that means कि आप बहुत friendly exercise कर रहे हो. It was more of a lifestyle, a show kind of thing. So I just want to ask you, what kind of, what are the changes in their thoughts regarding fitness? कि अभी awareness कि अभी पहले के टाइम पे जहाँ पे लोग जिम जो है वो ज्यादा एक शो ऑफ के लिए जाना पसंद करते थे, और अभी के टाइम पे एक जो बॉडी की रिक्वायरमेंट को वो समझ रहे हैं. व्हाट इज योर सेइंग कि क्या ऐसा हुआ है जो उनके थॉट्स हैं, जो उनके फीलिंग्स हैं रिगार्डिंग फिटनेस को चेंज हुए हैं?
No, dear, it hasn't changed. Thoughts have not changed.
Okay.
And they're still obsessed with, my friend is going to that gym, I'll go there. And and that particular exercise like HIIT, that person is not even supposed to do HIIT because she already has a bad knee or weak bones or lower back pain or balance issues or something like that. And that person, first of all, we don't know is certified or not, because every road में कोई gyms है. Okay, जैसे जैसे पार्लर्स है, ऐसे gyms भी open हो चुका है. And whichever has nice board, whichever has a natural trainer, where you got the body any which way, steroid leke, be pumped up by taking supplements, fat burners, and we'll give the same thing to them. Results देखना है आपको, and everybody आ जाएगा बताओ, and ये ले लो fat burner, इसके बाद देख लीजिए ऐसे आपका चेंज हो जाएगा बॉडी. एंड पहले उसको बताओ आपका फिटनेस सर्टिफिकेट दिखाइए. ओके, आपने सप्लीमेंट्स का कोर्स किया है, किसको क्या सप्लीमेंट्स देना है, who will need it, who will not need it, and आपका गोल क्या है. When weight loss can happen, you don't eat anything for 1 week, you'll shrink. Okay, is that easy? Is that only thing we yield to temptation? Somebody will post pav bhaji, your mind is working, हाँ हमको pav bhaji करना है. बहुत दिन हो गया, I'm going to eat pav bhaji. Okay, I in fact mute people who keep sharing unhealthy food, because I'm also human. Okay, I'll also yield to temptation. I say you keep posting unhealthy food, so I'm muting you. I don't want to yield to temptation. If this 8 tip is working for you, you also mute that person. Okay, and just look at healthy stuff. You feel like eating healthy stuff only. Yeah, so it's not changed, my dear. Once this unlock is open, they will go back. Of course, workout karna hai, wo theek hai, because it's like see monkey do monkey. I've experienced this. Okay, thousands and thousands of people I have trained, and there are some people I want to come to your class, but my friends now they go to that class, that studio, so I'm going there. So they go there. It's like about even go walking. I wanted to go for a walk, but I didn't have company. What do you mean? You're working for who? You're working out for who? You do for yourself. Even better if your friends didn't come. You go brisk. You'll finish your work and come. Don't depend on anybody. Finish your workout in the morning. I promote only walking when I'm doing these kind of talks. It's because I don't know if the trainer who's training you is certified or not. They might they may not help you, but they will put you out of action, injuring you. As a fitness activist, it's very close to my heart, and I'm very concerned about it. And I have seen in my experience a lot of people being out of action. So walking is the safest. Okay, no equipment required. Please go for walking. And I tell them weekly 2 times with a good certified yoga teacher, do yoga. I never promote my aerobics because I don't know if there are enough aerobic trainers who have been certified. So, so whoever's listening, unlock hone ke baad, please सर्टिफिकेशन पूछ के इसके बाद जिम ज्वाइन कीजिए. सप्लीमेंट्स का जरूरी नहीं है, स्टेरॉइड्स का जरूरी नहीं है, फैट बर्न का जरूरी नहीं है, मील रिप्लेसमेंट का जरूरी नहीं है. जस्ट ईट वाइस, दैट्स इट. ओके, गो बैक टू योर ancestors life, जैसे हमारा great grandmother थे. Okay, if you're say 15 years, your grandmother will not relatively be young. That's why I'm saying great grandmother. Okay, so go back for 50-60 years of lifestyle and you will be like them forever. Fit, strong, lean, healthy. Teeth will be there, hair will be there, skin will be good. You can talk and you can enjoy life, and you can still meet your friends at 70-80. Okay.
And related to this, I want to ask one question. Yeah, what is the ideal age to start gymming or any kind of fitness activity?
Or do you know when the first exercise starts? Exercise session. Yeah. When you were a baby.
Yeah.
You were doing this. You turn. Mother will be so happy. Father, he turned. Baby के लिए बहुत बड़ा काम है. Okay. Then crawl, then stand up, sit, and all these are exercises. And we've been exercising all our life. It's just that in school we had PT, and when we were kids, we were working out. We were going and playing outside on the streets and all that, cycling, swimming, all that. But I'm talking about previous zamana ka, the generation before the current generation. But now all that is gone. Everybody is holding there. As a parent, it is their responsibility to bring the child down. Corona ke baad, okay, and then into some activity, they will thank you later because their foundation will be good. And apart from you need to. I lost my flow of thoughts. Okay, so get them out and make them play, and always have you yourself be active. And one more thing, I was recently going through a mail that came. Okay, what is important for good health? What is important for good health? It's not exercise, it's not diet. The percentage is lesser. It is, but it's not that important. What is very important, which plays a very important role in your health? Okay, that is relationship. Your relationship with your family. That is going to play a good role on your overall wellness. So now is the time that lockdown is to spend more time with your family. I speak to my mother every day. Before that, I was so busy, I didn't have time. So now I have so much time, I speak to her. So make good use of it. Spend a lot of family time.
Now people are doing this this thing very very frequently. Normally, what happened earlier, ki mama, papa, agar aap kahin you are living somewhere else, India or in another city, so it was like once in a week or once in fortnight you are calling your parents. But nowadays, what मैं जो भी अभी देख रही हूँ कि नॉर्मली 1 या 2 दिन में लोग फोन कर लेते हैं बात. ओके, नाउ यू आर ओके, एनी इश्यूज आर देयर. सो होता है कि हालचाल लेना बन जाता है. नंदिता, आई हैव वन क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. समवन आस्क्ड, you are an trained expert? Are you a trained expert, certified trainer also?
So I'm not a fitness expert. I'm a mindfulness and meditation expert, and I'm also a spiritual coaching coach. So I work on the mental fitness, but because my subject is all about living a balanced, healthy, and happy life. So basically, happiness is what we say, and my company is all about, we call it happiness partner. And you cannot be happy without being healthy. Health is the most important quotient of any kind of mental fitness or any kind of emotional fitness or any kind of spiritual fitness. Unless when you're having a pain in your body, neither you can meditate, nor you can journal, or nor you can do anything else. So yes, I have done quite a lot of research in neuroscience and how the physical activity works in our brain. And of late, in last 1 year, I have done lots of was talking about the exercising and the telling parents to bring your children, one request I always keep making to all parents and everyone who has kids around, please do not make them addicted to their cell phones, YouTube, laptops. Parents take this pride. For feed, they will give one device and they are stuck in this, okay, open the mouth, see that cartoon and gup, gup, gup. The child will not be healthy. You are spoiling your child's health completely. They will not be able to digest. They will not be secreting the right kind of chemicals which are needed to digest that food. You're not even especially even while breathing, because breathing is one of my subjects where I have done quite a lot of research. And when you go with a deeper research and deeper scientific research which is being done, because our breathing is so screwed. Sorry to use the word. I know I shouldn't be, but when you have more of your clientele is more Western people, and it's very acceptable there. So the most important way is to go to the things like how we used to be, putting your legs up. As Vinita said, I remembered and I was smiling about practicing those kind of postures helps you to gain and relearn the way of right breathing, putting your legs up and even the proning position and even the cat position. So you take those simple, very simple positions and just focus on your breathing. And believe me, you will change your life forever. Disease are going to go far off from you. And even if you catch up some of the infections, which is inevitable in life, your body will be so quick to strength, motivation, determination, and the physical body's ability to bounce back. So that's what is needed.
Wow. Thank you, Vinita and Nandita, for so many awesome tips. And again, as Vinita said, yeah, Nandita.
So I am seeing a comment from Hassan Hashim. Please call my name. So hello, Hassan Hashim.
Okay. Vinita, it was such an awesome session actually, because there were so many new things. As you said, avoid jogging. Because everyone nowadays like क्या करना है कि ठीक है morning jogging पे चले जाओ तो आधी problem ऐसे solve हो जानी है.
नहीं,
you said this thing.
Weight loss करना है, हाँ jogging करो. ये कम नहीं करना, खाली jogging करो.
So walk daily, everyone. If you doesn't want to reduce your weight, then don't like regularly jogging avoid kare, as abhi nowadays fitness experts are saying. And there are so many points, little points. Thank you so much, Vinita. Some were really very like as you told about what kind of, as you told about the neck exercise and very small things जो बहुत benefit कर सकती हैं हमारे viewers के लिए जो देख रहे हैं. And I really want to thank Sheila Jain for her question and regular her response. Komala, Neelam, Deepika. And yes, Abhinetri.
Yeah, I think Komala asked for a question to Vanita.
Yeah, I asked. I think in the beginning, I guess I asked.
Is it good to walk in the morning or evening? If yes, should it be counted kilometers or time?
Okay, fine. Good question.
Yeah.
And I usually suggest early morning walks because nobody will disturb your session. Nobody wants you at that time. You finish your work and come. Okay. Evening, if you postpone it, like you will get a call or there is a meeting. Otherwise, if it's not COVID, then somebody comes home suddenly and your walk is gone. After that, the mood is also gone. Okay. So finish up in the morning when nobody needs your time. So abhi kilometers and time. Okay, you can cover 5 kilometers in say 30-40 minutes if you walk brisk. Okay, so let's not go with kilometer and time. Let's go with the time. So start with 20 minutes and gradually build up your time. Okay, there is something called FIT principle: frequency, intensity, time, and variation. So these are the things that you need to include. So frequency, the number of days you walk. If you are not walking at all, if you're not doing any exercise at all, start off with alternate days of walk. Okay, start with 15 minutes, then gradually increase the time, then gradually increase the intensity. This way, you will love exercises and you're giving time for your body to get used to it. And if day one you walk 40 minutes or 60 minutes, your body is not ready for it and you will hate exercise. Okay, so you got to build it slowly. So now, if you went 3 rounds, okay, say आपके society में or area में 3 rounds गए थे, okay, let's say you built it up to that much. तो आपके 3 round आपने लिया 15 minutes, example 15 minutes. तो आपको speed, your intensity, your briskness of the walk should increase. That you cover it within 14 minutes, 13 minutes, but don't push yourself. Okay, this should happen gradually over a period of time. So this way you will see changes and you will be challenging your body and there is enough calorie burn and you will not get injured. So aim at time. Okay, and then the distance covered with the time should be receding. As you get fitter, it will happen, but don't push yourself.
Okay, thank you, Hassan Hashmi, thank you, Husna, and thank you all the viewers. Thank you so much, guests, both of you, Vanita and Nandita, for such a informative session. And next week we will again meet with a new subject, and might be so many new things, new information we will share with you. Thank you so much again, and bye for now.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for having me over. You sisters are amazing, and your smiles are constantly there, and that lifts up. You know it, right? About the smile. When you smile, the same reciprocation happens. Automatically the other person also will smile, and that will change a whole lot of things. Okay, the mood and everything. So keep that smile going, and all this good work going. And all those people who are watching this, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Vanita Ashok, Vanita with a W. I share plenty of tips on everyday basis. I share my recipes, healthy food, exercises. More than exercises, I'm an educator. Okay, I educate people to exercise the right way, what they should do, what they shouldn't do, just like you heard me. And I also give them options. And you have any question about fitness, weight loss, diet, exercise, you can write to me on social media and I will be able to guide you. And I will not charge you for this because this is my contribution to my country to get them fit, strong, healthy, the right way. Okay. And also I have online sessions that you can, reach out to me and ask me. I do strength training and aerobics also, 2 separate things. So when you reach out to me, if you want to work out with me at home and the right way, I can guide you. Thanks once again, and everybody have a great
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And viewers, please join us next week also. Okay. Okay. Bye. Bye, Vanita. Bye, Nandita.
Bye.